Hello there, it's Himanku here, and today I'm going to show you how to create a default job pipeline in Recruiterflow. So to set up your default job pipeline, just head over to the settings page and go to the job settings section. Click on edit option here on the default pipeline. Note that source, applied, disqualified, offer and hired are system default stages which you cannot edit or delete. You can click on add stage to add a new stage. Let's say I want to add on-site interview. I'll enter the stage name and the interview name and select the category on-site interview and save the stage here. I can also move this stage up or down just by dragging it here. And I can also delete an existing pipeline stage. So that's pretty much it, guys. The next time you create a job, this pipeline will be created. If you need help anywhere, you can reach out to us over here in the live chat. Have a good day ahead. Bye-bye.